If you're trying to send photos on Messenger and you see the error unable to load camera roll, don't worry, this is a common issue, and there are a couple of easy ways to fix it. Let's go step by step. First, make sure your permissions are correct. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down to Messenger and tap on it. Now open Photos and make sure it's set to full access. Also, check that camera access is turned on. If everything is already enabled and it's still not working, try this quick workaround. Open Messenger, go into any chat, and instead of tapping the gallery icon, tap the camera icon. This will open the camera screen. Now look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a small preview of your gallery. Tap on that, and it should load your camera roll from there without any issues. If that still doesn't work, here's another method. When you tap the gallery icon and get the error, look for a Google Photos option at the top right, if available. Tap on it, and it will redirect you to your photos where you can select and send them normally. And one more important thing. Sometimes this is just a temporary bug, so make sure your Messenger app is fully updated or try restarting your phone. That's it. One of these methods should fix the problem and get your photos sending again.